Hello, welcome to IMA. Do you want to learn basic computer step by step in ISL? This course covers the basics: computer, laptop, mouse, keyboard, internet, Wi-Fi and more. You will also learn common actions and errors: login, logout, password, etc. Who will benefit? Parents of deaf children, school students who want to learn computers, and teachers who can use this in classrooms. This course helps deaf students improve knowledge. Parents support children. And teachers explain computers easily in ISL. Must I pay? Yes. Expensive? No. One-time payment, lifetime access. Learn anytime, anywhere. The Computer Basics course is ready for you now. Download the IMA app today. Start learning and grow your skills. Thank you.